Hi everybody, I'm Mike from Arcan Trailer. Today I'm going to show you a brand new floor plan from Viking, the 182 DBU. Really cool, unique floor plan that packs a ton of stuff in just a small single axle trailer. It's only about 3,300 pounds dry, which is nice if you have a smaller SUV or something like that to pull it with. You can pack a lot of people in here as well, but let's stop talking and start showing. So. Kind of similar exterior to that Viking had it to 2020. So with the gray tin with the black accents. On the Vikings as well, this black exterior metal is a little bit thicker gauge than the standard siding that you'll see on most trailers. So the gray tin here is 024, whereas this is 030. So a little bit thicker to help be a little more resilient against gravel and rocks and things like that. And they even do a strip along the top as well if you're gonna catch hail or anything. So really nice touch. Not only does it look good, but it's functional as well. So right up at the front, you'll notice you got portable solar prep. Vikings had that for years now. That's right beside your nice pass-through storage there, which I'll show you how to access on the inside when we get there. Solid stance steps on the Viking. That is an option that we bring them in with. And then of course, a nice power awning with the LED lights. That was just new for Viking last year. Still has the outside speakers and all that kind of same stuff. And then new for Viking is the outside kitchens they're starting to include in some of their models. So you got the little beer fridge or drink fridge, whatever you want to use it for. And then you also got the Greystone griddle. And that just plugs in underneath here. If you had your own barbecue, you could plug that in there as well and do your outside grilling. This is a big storage door as well. We are a little bit tight in space as you can see, but that's a nice big storage spot. Just around back here, you got the leash link for your pets. And then all the Vikings are prepped for a backup camera as well. Well, let's head inside and check this one out. There's lots to see. All right, welcome inside. So still in a 7-foot wide Viking. So it makes towing super easy as you don't need tow mirrors when you're hauling these, as well as keep the weight down. But it still gives us good ceiling height. A lot of brands will make an 8-foot wide and to keep the weight down, bring the ceiling really low. So I'm 6 feet tall, just to give you an idea, and I can walk anywhere in this trailer. So you'll notice right away the nice big U-shaped dinette. This is at the very front of the trailer. Windows on either sides. You got a little storage kind of compartment on the right-hand side there. This table is freestanding, so you can take this outside with you. And during transit, it's gonna actually go into a closet around the corner that I'll show you in a minute. But this table comes out, that latch comes down, the bed comes down over top of this, and that acts as your main double bed for your master bedroom kind of thing. Really, really slick. It's a single mattress piece. Check our photos for kind of a better idea on how it looks. But let's keep rolling. Kitchen. So you got your 2-burner stove with your glass cover, seamless countertops, sink cover comes with it, standard. You got a window over top of your sink. Nice big closet. Utensil drawers, tons of storage in this trailer, especially for the size. Right around the corner here would be your entertainment. So this is right where you walk in. So if you decided to put a TV, there's a backing plate here for it. And then you got your little entertainment deck. It's of course Bluetooth, and then TV hookups at the top. Roof mounted AC standard, 13,500 BTU. Same size they'll put in a 30-foot travel trailer. So that'll keep you nice and cool. And moving right along, got your kind of main pantry space. Now the bottom of this is designed for the table. It has foldable legs and a strap. It just goes in place, snaps shut, and that's where your table can stay while you're in transit. Or at nighttime if you didn't want to leave it on the floor. 6 cubic foot fridge. So this was really nice. Viking added this in last year. You got a full-size fridge in just a little single axle trailer. Okay. Washroom vanity is on the outside. So the old 17BH floor plan was always lacking a sink. That was constant feedback, but there wasn't really the space for it. So what they've done is they've moved this outside the bathroom and still gives you a toilet and shower, as well as a linen closet in there. It's got the skylight above in the shower, fan, everything you need. And then, of course, double bunks. So you'll almost always get single bunks in a trailer this size, basically until now. So some brands are starting to come out with the doubles. They've kind of gotten more creative. So here you go, doubles in the first Viking single axle. And then you get a window on both sides, USB ports. Each of them have a reading light, and there is even kind of a cubby hole right around the corner here. I'll let you take a look for some extra storage for the kids to put their stuff. I'm Mike from Marcan Trailer. This is the Viking 182 DBU. I'll catch you next time.